Hey everyone! And welcome to the first class. Before we jump in, just a quick reminder, make sure you've done your warm-up and you're feeling ready to move.
Don't forget, you can always pause and repeat any sequence.
Alright, let's go!
We will start with the side step. This is the foundation for this class. Imagine this is your center, and we will be stepping out of it and coming back to it, like so. Let's start by stepping to the right. Right leg to the side, open, left follows, together. Coming back, open, together. Right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. This is the basic concept. Before we continue, let's create good habits. Our knees are always slightly bent and arms swinging. When we open, we raise our hands. When we close, we lower them down. You can also cross them as a small variation. So, this is the basic idea to use our arms from the very beginning. Later on in the course, we will learn more variations, but this is a good starting point. Let's put everything together. 8 counts to the right, 8 counts to the left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now to the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do the same again, but this time try to notice if you're tensing your body and try to relax as much as possible. This is another good habit to have when dancing. And the most important one is to have fun and enjoy yourself, of course. If you're feeling like really swinging your arms, just go for it. If you want to keep it minimal, please do you. All right, Alexei?
I'm ready, yeah.
You see, he's ready. Hope you too. 8 times to the right, 8 times to the left. All together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to the left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm liking this way more now. And guess what? You can do the side step not only to your right and left, but also to the front and to the back. Let's try it. The same idea as we did with the side step, stepping to the front with right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Let's try with our left to the front. Left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Easy. Same thing stepping to the back. Right leg first, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Now left leg first. Left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. And don't worry if you mix the legs, it doesn't really matter that much. Voila! Those were the basic directions. Let's put them all together. Right, left, front, back, with 8 counts for each direction. Starting from the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now to the left. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Be relaxed. And now to the front with right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch to your left to the front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back with your right. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and grand finale with your left. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, everybody! Don't worry if it wasn't perfect. It's your first lesson after all. High five yourself for showing up!